Welcome back to Hustle Culture, the channel where we explore the extraordinary developments shaping our world. Today, we're diving into a new frontier that's part science fiction, part reality, and entirely mind-boggling. I'm talking about babies born with the DNA of 3 people. That's right, 3. In recent news, the first such babies were born in Britain, a truly remarkable event. But what does this mean? How is it even possible? And what are the implications? Let's unpack this. To understand this, we first need a quick biology refresher. We know that our genes, stored in our DNA, are the blueprint of life. They reside in almost every cell of our bodies, primarily in the nucleus, but also in tiny structures called mitochondria. Mitochondria are fascinating. They're like the power plants of our cells. But sometimes, they carry genetic defects that can lead to severe diseases. These defects are passed on from mother to child, but what if we could prevent this transmission? That's where this groundbreaking procedure comes in. It replaces the mother's faulty mitochondrial DNA in the egg with healthy DNA from a donor. So, the resulting baby has the nuclear DNA from its mother and father but the mitochondrial DNA from a third person. Let's pause for a moment and appreciate the beauty of this science. It's a testament to human ingenuity, to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and solutions. But it's also more than that. It's hope for families living under the shadow of mitochondrial diseases. But I would be remiss if I didn't address the elephant in the room. The ethical implications are enormous. While we're preventing devastating diseases, are we also crossing a line here? Manipulating life at such a fundamental level is not without its risks and unknowns. As we push the boundaries of science, we're also forced to reassess our moral and ethical frameworks. These babies are healthy and disease-free, which is a triumph. But it's also true that we're stepping into uncharted territory. The long-term effects, both physically and psychologically, are unknown. I want to be clear here. This is not about creating designer babies. This is not about choosing eye color, hair color, or intelligence. This is about giving a child a chance at a healthy life. But it does make you wonder, doesn't it? How far are we from that reality? What I love about science is that it's a journey. We're constantly learning, evolving, pushing boundaries. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of life, we must also ensure that we're doing so responsibly, ethically. This story is far from over. It's a new chapter in human reproduction and genetic science. Here at Hustle Culture, we'll continue to bring you updates as this intriguing story unfolds. We'll explore the triumphs, the controversies, the breakthroughs, and the debates. Because that's what science is all about, isn't it? It's not just about discoveries, it's about the journey, the dialogue, the ethical checks and balances. And remember, this isn't just about the science. This is about real people, families that are grappling with the potential of debilitating diseases. For them, this breakthrough isn't just a headline, it's a lifeline. It's a glimmer of hope in what might have been a very dark future. It's also worth mentioning that the third person, the mitochondrial donor, is playing an incredibly significant role here. Their contribution is literally changing lives. It's an act of kindness that echoes in the genes of every cell in these babies' bodies. And that, to me, is incredibly powerful. So what does the future hold for 3-person DNA? Will we see it become commonplace? Will it open the door to other gene editing practices? These are questions we don't yet have answers to, but they're crucial ones to ask as we navigate this brave new world of genetic science. While some see this as playing God, others see it as a testament to human resilience and innovation. It's a polarizing topic, and that's okay. It's these discussions that ensure we move forward in a way that balances progress with caution. As we wrap up, I want to hear your thoughts. What do you think about 3-person DNA? How do you feel about where this could lead us? Do the potential benefits outweigh the risks? Let's have a conversation. After all, science isn't just for scientists in lab coats. It affects all of us. It shapes our future, our culture, our understanding of life itself. And your voice, your perspective, is a valuable part of that narrative. So, drop a comment below, share this video with your friends, and let's keep this dialogue going. Remember to subscribe to Hustle Culture for more explorations into the extraordinary developments shaping our world. This is Hustle Culture, where we don't just observe the world, we question it, we engage with it, and we grow with it. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, stay curious, stay informed, and never stop hustling.